Assalamu alaikum. Here is the first video in which we are going to discuss the question of the past, the question of further mathematics ES level, pure 1, roots of polynomial equations. This question came in May June 2024, paper 1, variant 1. This is the question 1 of that paper. So we are going to solve this question. Here the question is saying the cubic equation 2x cube plus x square minus px minus 5 is equal to 0, where p is a positive constant, has roots alpha, beta, gamma. State in terms of p the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So we will first do this. X cube plus 1 divided by 2x square. We will divide the whole equation by 2. Then we will move to the next step. That we have the next step here, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to negative p over 2, and this is the answer. Then we will move to the next part in which it is saying find the value of alpha square beta gamma plus alpha beta square gamma plus alpha beta gamma square. We are going to find its value. So we will do this. We will apply the algebra here like this. First we are going to copy down this. Plus alpha beta I think I did a mistake here. No, also okay. We wrote this, and now we will see that which are going to be the common in this. We can see that alpha beta gamma is the common in this equation, so we will do this. This is here. We took the alpha beta gamma common from all, and here the alpha remains, their beta remains, and their gamma remains. So that's our equation. Now we have to go for it. We can see that alpha beta gamma from the given equation, which was 2x cube, that was giving we had divided it by 2, so we have that form, and we can see that what is the alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma will be positive 5, because the formula for it is alpha beta gamma formula is this: negative d over a. So here the formula applies here. Oh, there's a mistake that I didn't divide the 5 by 2. So yeah, here we are in the form. So here we can see that it is negative 5 divided by 2. So it is 5 divided by 2 answer. We will move ahead with the solution. What we had formed, okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma. We'll do this now. plus beta plus gamma is equal to, we can see that it is equal to negative b over a, and we can write it as we had divided the whole equation by 2, so we can write it easily, negative 1 over 2. So that's, now we will go for the final answer here. Alpha beta gamma will get multiplied by alpha plus beta plus gamma. We will insert the value of alpha beta gamma, 5 divided by 2, and it will get multiplied by negative 1 over 2, negative, so which is negative 5 over 4. We can have a look of the solution, that is the complete solution. So now we are moving ahead to the part C. Here is the question, part C. Deduce a cubic equation whose roots are alpha beta, beta gamma and alpha gamma. So here the trick we can follow. So you can see that alpha beta can also be written as alpha beta gamma divided by gamma. If you can see that gamma will, that gamma can be cancelled by gamma and it will remain alpha beta. So that's a trick here. We can write this complete alpha beta comma alpha gamma comma beta gamma. Yeah, so we can write these as alpha beta gamma and divide by gamma. Alpha beta gamma and divide by beta, alpha beta gamma and divide by alpha. So that's here. We will move ahead. We know the value of alpha beta gamma, so we can do this. We will write 5 divided by 2 gamma, 5 divided by 2 beta and 5 divided by 2 alpha. So now we can do this. 5 divided by 2 gamma, 5 divided by 2 beta and 5 divided by 2 alpha. So we can use a substitution now easily, and here we have a choice. We can take 5 divided by 2 gamma, we can take 5 divided by 2 beta, or we can take 5 divided by 2 alpha. I'm going to take 5 divided by 2 alpha here. And now we have to make a subject alpha. So here we'll do this. Two is equal to 5 divided by y, and through alpha we will get 5 divided by 2y. Now we can insert this into the given equation, which was given in the question. 2x cubed plus x square minus px minus 5 is equal to 0. We can insert this instead of x, because the root of the equation is alpha beta. In reality, for that equation, the root is alpha. So that alpha is equal to x. The root is equal to x. So here we can insert alpha instead of x. What was the equation? 2x cube. 2x cube. We will write 5 divided by 2 cube plus x square and then minus px 5 divided by 2 y, and in the end negative 5 is equal to 0. Currently I have not a space, so I am making an arrow here, and it is negative 5 is equal to 0. I think you are getting it. If you are not getting, you can go from starting or from that point where you are not getting, and you can watch the video again, or you can comment me. I will reply you, inshallah. So there is 2 1 to 5. Let me start from bit left so that we will have a space. 2 1 to 5 divide by 8 y cube bracket close plus 25 4y square, and then negative 5p divided by 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. I have not a space to write 0, so just you know and I know, so leave it. Currently it is 4, it will get cancelled, it become 4. So we have a LCM here 4. So we need 4 at each side, at each denominator. 4y cube is our LCM. We will write 125 plus, there will be same, just here the difference of a square. Yeah, we know that here is a square, so we will write it 25y, then negative, it will get multiplied by 2, so it will be 10p, and there will be y square, and negative 5 is still remaining, and here is not a space, so I will write it down. This 5 will get multiplied by 4, so it will be and 4 along with y cube, so it will be negative 20 y cube. So we can arrange this while multiplying this whole equation with negative 1. 20y cube and negative 10py square, which will become 10py square, and then here is positive 25y, which we can write as negative 25py, sorry, y, only y, and then negative 125 as a constant in this equation which we had formed. But still we can take a common, which can be 5 as a common. So if we take a 5 common, it will become 4y cube. Here if we take a 5 common, it becomes 2py square, and if we take a 5 common here, it will become 5y, and if we take a 5 common here, it will become 25. So that's our equation, that's our final answer. You can check it with the marking scheme. That's the final answer. You can have a look at our part A. This is our solution, negative p over 2, and for our part B there is a negative 5 over 4. It got erased by me mistakenly, so we can write as negative 1 over 2. No issue. This is negative 1 over 2, and here's the answer, negative 5 over 4. And here is this equation as answer. This equation is the answer. Now here the last part for this question. Given that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to 1 divided by 3, find the value of p. Now we can do this. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to this summation of alpha square. This sign is known as summation. This is summation, means sum. We can write it as like this. So we will write this like it will be summation of alpha square is equal to, in the bracket, summation of alpha and the whole square minus 2 summation of alpha beta. It is asking for value of p. Okay, so here we will look for the values from the given equation, not the equation which we had formed. So we will move upward and we will get alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to negative 1 over 2. So we will insert here negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2, get a square, and negative 2 here, alpha, summation of alpha beta. We will write this summation of alpha beta as negative p over 2. We will write here negative p over 2. We got it. And we know that this whole is equal to 1 divided by 3. So here 2 will get cancelled by 2. And now we can write it again. The remaining things here, it become 1 over 4 and plus p. We can get a value of p easily. 1 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 4, and it is 1 divided by 12. This is the answer. You can check a marking scheme for p. Let's take a review for this whole question. In the first question we did this was the equation. We divided this whole equation from a is the 2. We divided this whole equation with 2, and we form this x cube plus 1 divided by 2x square minus p divided by 2x minus 5 divided by 2 equals to 0. Then we have to find out the summation of alpha beta. The summation of alpha beta is the point here. Let me show you with another color. Yeah, it is the summation of alpha beta, and we got this negative p over 2. Then in the part B we have alpha square beta gamma and summation of alpha square beta gamma. So we took alpha beta gamma common and multiplied it with alpha plus beta plus gamma. Through this I found out the alpha beta gamma through the given equation in the question, and I also got the summation of alpha through the given equation, and I got the answer here, negative 5 divided by 4. Then in the next part we wrote the alpha beta in the another form, which got alpha beta gamma divided by gamma. Through this we inserted the value of alpha beta gamma as we know earlier. So we simplified that and equated it with y, and we got alpha in form of y, and then we inserted the term in the form of y instead of x in the given equation. Through this we formed the new equation. Then we move to the last part of that question, part D, in which it was asking for it was saying that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to 1 divided by 3, and it was asking to find the value of p. We know that summation of alpha square is equal to bracket open summation of alpha bracket close whole square minus 2 summation of alpha beta. We know the value of 1 divided by 3 is equal to, we put the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma here, then we inserted the value of this which we had found in the part 1, and we solved further and we got the value 1 divided by 12. Thank you for this video.